making chicken burgers. Oh my god, it's so hot. Oh wait, why am I talking about hotness? Let me get back to the main point. Okay guys, so today we'll be making chicken burgers, the yummiest burgers in the world. And let's get cooking. Yeah, let's get cooking the yummy chicken burgers. Come on. So guys, now I'll be telling you the ingredients which we need to make the chicken burger. Chicken breast, bread, mint chutney which you can make at home or you can find it in Indian stores, sliced tomatoes, sliced onions. With the avocado, you can slice the avocado and then keep it in your burger, or you can make guacamole out of it and then apply it to your burger. 1 slice of cheese, lettuce. You can keep Italian seasoning or oregano if you want in your burger. Coarse ground black pepper or any pepper you guys want. And salt. So now I'll show you how to make mint chutney. First, take some fresh mint. You need mint leaves, cilantro, lemon juice, salt, garlic, and red chili salt, green chilies to make mint chutney. You have to grind them. So now we will be seasoning the chicken breast. So first we take a pinch of salt and just sprinkle it around the chicken breast. Not all in one place, but spread it around. I kept salt on the chicken breast now. Now let's keep pepper. Okay, so now I'm keeping pepper. So now I'll keep Italian seasoning on all of them. So guys, we only did the seasoning on one side, but when we keep it on the grilling pan, then we'll season the other side with the same ingredients we kept now on. So guys, I'm going to keep coconut oil in the pan and I'm going to let it spread around. Oh, actually, I already did that. I prefer coconut oil because it is healthy for us and I don't know. Okay, yeah. So now I'll be keeping the chicken breast in the pan. Okay guys, so now let's keep seasonings on this side. Now I'm going to season this side. So guys, now it's time to flip the breast and you can see grill marks on the other side. I'm going to leave it for 2 minutes to flip on the other side. So we can close the lid for some time, for like 1 minute. Now our chicken breasts are ready. I left it for about 2 to 3 minutes with the lid on. And I also took the thing and then I kept it at the sides like this for like about 20 seconds or even the sides grill. And now they're ready, so I'm going to keep them into a bowl. So guys, this is kind of an Indo-American burger because the mint chutney is Indian. So guys, now I'm going to keep the patty on the bread. So now I'm going to keep tomatoes. I don't really like tomatoes that much on my burger, so I'm only going to keep 1. And I'm also going to keep an onion on it. Oh, it looks like an onion ring. Actually, it is. Now, if you want, you can keep cheese. but I don't really like cheese on mine, so I'm not going to keep it. At the last, you have to take some salt and then sprinkle it on the thing. And after salt, you can keep at least one lettuce piece. Then you keep pepper. If you don't have lettuce, you can also add. So guys, now let's close our burger. And now it's ready to eat. So guys, now I'm going to take a bite of it and see how tasty it is. Oh my god. It's so tasty. I love it. I'm sure you guys will also love it. And don't forget, please click the like button and comment and subscribe. Bye.